Swag, dude. What up, everybody? Welcome back to Cooking with RockQuarry. It's been a while, but I'm back in the kitchen. This week we're doing something special. Lasagna. Never made it before. We'll see how this goes. So, ingredients. Let's start right there. Lasagna noodles. These things are pretty cool. Never cooked these before. That'll be fun. I'm not making a sauce, so I got some traditional sweet basil pasta sauce to mix in with all my meat. We're gonna go half a pound of beef, half a pound of sausage, Italian sausage, big cheese guy, Parmesan, mozzarella, ricotta cheese. I don't know what this is all about. I'm interested to see. Garlic, onion, Italian seasoning, and 1 egg. All right, so what I deduced from this recipe that I found on the internet is you cook up the meat, add in the sauce, boil the pasta, get all that stuff going, and then assemble it and bake it, and then you're good to go, I think. I really have no clue. This is gonna be really funny. But start that music, and let's get cooking. Hit a snag here. I got oven ready lasagna noodles, so you don't have to boil them, just put them in the pan. So sauce is in, simmering it for 5 minutes. I'm gonna make the cheese sauce now. We'll see how that goes. Alright, 45 minutes are up. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Get that nice crust, right, Shank? Right, let's go. Alright guys, lasagna time. Noodles, why not cooked enough? Kind of hard, a little rubbery, but everything else tastes great. Sauce, cheese, man, I'm a great chef. Yeah, it's good. Be eating this forever. So, for big time Babble and Cooking with RockQuarry, check us out, comment, subscribe, like, we're awesome.